Hi, what's up? Axie Infinity. Axie Infinity from last 3 days, as you can see here, my friend, and last 3 days, 7.06% the price is increased, and the highest price, as you can see here, 81.41 USD dollar. The current price is 74 USD dollar. So I think, my friends, they will just in only lost now. I think 6 to 7 USD dollar, my friend, just in only in 3 days. So I think it's a very bad fail. And what we need to do, my friend, in those days, what we need to do, everything I will discuss. But kindly, if you are new my channel, subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. All right, my brother, the price is increasing hour by hour, minute by minute, but definitely, my friends, especially in last month, 1 month or whether the price is very badly falls down. So therefore, the price, as you can see, my friend, the current and the highest price very badly, my friends, fails down, and very high difference now, my brother. As you can see, especially in the start of month, this coin will increasing, but as you can see, my friend, in those days the price is very badly falls down. But I know, my brothers, after this fail they will also take a very huge jumps now. So therefore, my brother, I expect my friends, from Axie Infinity to, they will moving upward, they will give you 100 USD dollar just and only in very short time. Let's see, Marvels, to what they do. But kindly, if you are new my channel, kindly you need to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Alright, my brother, this time, as you can see here, there, this is possible to upcoming days, they will give you 90 USD dollar just in only in this month. So I think, it's just in only 8 to 9 days remaining over this to, they will give you this huge profit. So kindly, if you have any plan to invest more, so invest now. I hope they will make you millionaire now. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time, Axie Infinity holders.